Hello, Show Yourself Toys and Travel fans. Today, I will be showing you things for your child's carry-on luggage to keep them entertained on the flight. So first, I'm packing my phone since I really want to. So I need to pack my phone and my tablet since I have electronics to play with on the plane. Definitely need to pack some sunglasses. And I'm so happy that I have it in this bag. So when your kids go to like different places, you can put it in this safe little bag. It's so comfy for your glasses to stay in. So don't get hurt in the plane.
Kaylee, it's time to pack up.
Now I have some markers. So cute. Plus they're washable, so if your little kid gets a stain or something on them, you will be able to wash them off. And if you have crayons, you need to have a book. It says Tropical Vibes. I have lots of pages in here. They're all fresh. Like these are how the pages look. So you can get your little kid a book and some washable markers, not just regular markers, to play with. And I have this cute little sticker fashion thing. I can put stickers on these people, make them. So see this person, it's all plain. And then I can use these little stickers, there's lots of them, to make them look pretty. It's a fashion look. And of course, I want to bring some money since I've never been there before. I'd have $2. I didn't have enough money. I didn't want to pack all my money. And I think this will be enough to spend a souvenir. My mom and dad will help me. So at least pack some money for your kids. And of course, the big one that I always pack is dolls. Pack lots of doll babies. I always do. I'm packing Midnight Baby and all of her suitcase stuff and her little sister. Then I'm packing my doll Sunrise. She's beautiful. She's a color change makeover doll. And then I'm packing my big OMG Fierce Royal Bee. She looks pretty. That's why I have her. And all of these dolls, I pack them for a reason. They have bathing suits. And I'm going to put all of them in this big one. I have a little, but it's still little. I have LOLs on it. So just to review all the things that I have. The sunglasses in the sunglass bag. My devices. My money. Sticker book. Crayons. My book that says Tropical Vibes. And my doll babies. That's everything that I packed to St. Lucia. Oh, and there's two important things that I forgot. My neck pillow is so comfy, it saves my neck. And it will help me on the plane to fall asleep. And I can't forget my water bottle. Refreshing. It's so refreshing. And I have these little pockets that will help me put it water bottle on the side. I'm so happy that you watched this video with me packing up. Soon there will be a video with my doll babies packing up. And make sure to subscribe to my channel so you can see all my different St. Lucia videos, like me getting a mud bath, me hiking the Piton, me doing everything at St. Lucia. Bye, everybody. I hope you like and subscribe this video. Bye.